Hey guys, I thought I'd just answer a question this morning. I'm constantly asked what my favorite mousetrap is, or what do I think the best mousetrap is. I think these two are definitely two of my favorite and probably two of the best. But which one's better? This is a rolling log mousetrap. As you can see, I made this. It's just a piece of PVC with a cap and a rod runs through it. All it does is spin. You put peanut butter. Mouse comes up the ramp, goes out, spins, falls off into the bucket. This is the walk the plank mousetrap. It fits on the bucket, works the same way. Mouse comes up, you put peanut butter, he walks out, tips, falls off in the bucket. Now you can make these. A lot of people make them out of tin cans. I see all kinds of them made. You can even order them off of eBay or Amazon. Same way with these. Neither one's very expensive, but they're definitely fun. I could actually watch footage all day of these two. They're actually hilarious. But which one's the best? I'll tell you what, I'm going to show you some footage, and I'm going to come back at the end, and I'm going to tell you, in my opinion, which one of these two is the best. So let's look at some footage. Well, all right, we took a look at the footage, so in my opinion, which one is the best? Drum roll, please. And the winner is the Walk the Plank mousetrap. Even though this is a good mousetrap and I love to use it and it's fun to watch, if you'll notice in some of the videos, the mouse could actually go all the way across and he could come back. I caught most of them, but on occasion they would come out and they could get back. So that's why I pick Walk the Plank mousetrap. If a mouse goes out, he's gone. Never missed a single mouse that walked out on the plank. So I hope this little fun video helped you out. If it did, hey, subscribe to my channel. You never know what I'm going to do. So till next time, catch you later.